Welcome to another Music Home Theory class. Today, we're going to learn about the last two intervals we haven't covered yet, sixths and sevenths. These intervals can be major or minor, just like seconds and thirds. Let's start with major and minor sixths. A major sixth contains 4 tones and 1 semitone. A minor sixth contains only 4 tones. Let's see this step by step with examples. Major sixth from C to A. We start on C and move up to A. First, let's count the number of notes. C, D, E, F, G, A. That's 6 notes, so it is a sixth. Now count the distance. C to D equals 1 tone. D to E equals 1 tone. E to F equals 1 semitone. F to G equals 1 tone. G to A equals 1 tone. Total, 4 whole tones and 1 semitone. That makes it a major sixth. Minor sixth from D sharp to B. We start on D sharp, and we want to find a minor sixth above it. We know the 6th note from D sharp is B. Now count the tones. D sharp to F equals 1 tone. F to G equals 1 tone. G to A equals 1 tone. A to B equals 1 tone. That gives us exactly 4 whole tones, no extra semitone. So, D sharp to B is a minor sixth. Example 3. Descending minor sixth from F sharp. Let's go down a minor sixth from F sharp. We need to count 6 letter names down. F sharp are E, D, C, B, A. That lands us on A, the 6th note down. Now count the distance from F sharp down to A. F sharp to E equals 1 tone. E to D equals 1 tone. D to C equals 1 tone. C to B flat equals 1 semitone. We have reached the distance, 4 tones, but the note should be called A. So this note is not B flat, it is A sharp, which is the same key. But because it is a sixth, we need to call A. Total equals 4 whole tones. That's a minor sixth descending from F sharp to A sharp. Major and minor sevenths. A major seventh contains 5 whole tones and 1 semitone. A minor seventh contains only 5 whole tones. Let's see 3 examples. Example 1. Major seventh from C to B. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, that's 7 notes. Counting the tones, C to D equals 1 tone, D to E equals 1 tone, E to F equals 1 semitone, F to G equals 1 tone, G to A equals 1 tone, A to B equals 1 tone. Total equals 5 whole tones and 1 semitone. This is a major seventh. Example 2. Minor seventh from E, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, 7 notes. Count the intervals. E to F sharp equals 1 whole tone. F sharp to G sharp equals 1 whole tone. G sharp to A sharp equals 1 tone. A sharp to C equals 1 tone. C to D natural equals 1 whole tone. That makes 5 whole tones. So, E to D natural is a minor seventh. Smart tip. Count tones and semitones at the end if needed. Example 3. Minor seventh descending from A flat. We are landing on B. Now check the distance. A flat to G flat equals 1 tone. G flat to E equals 1 tone. E to D equals 1 tone. D to C equals 1 tone. C to B flat equals 1 tone. That's 5 whole tones. So, a flat to B flat descending is a minor seventh. Now, it's your turn. Complete the intervals below and let us know your answers in the comments. What is the interval from F sharp to D? What is the interval from E to C sharp? What is a minor seventh above B flat? What is a major sixth below G? Follow Music Home for more online theory classes and keep practicing your intervals with our courses online. Check them out.